line normal for the main. Out.
Hey, this is w&le. After the coal train, which we just saw, we now have a w&le local coming out off the lead down here to go towards Grand Brannis, following the unit coal train. But we're still waiting for him to grab the switch. I know, I'm not good at that. Yeah, the sun kind of sucks today for this. Well, I do have the like automatic light adjusting thing on, so it's not making it too bad. I know. Come on, Cloud. A few more feet, please. Come on, Cloud.
The w&le switching lead switch is line reverse for the switching lead. Repeat, the switching lead switch is line reversed for the switching lead. Out.
Well, here's one of the neatest things. The locomotive that we'll be seeing is running long hood lead. Now these clouds are just trying to piss with me.
The w&le Harmon switch is lined reversed for the Cleveland line. Repeat, the Harmon switch is lined reversed for the Cleveland line. Out.
Well, this is w&le. Thanks for checking them out.